Gonna put new stickers on the boat. Best way to get the old stickers off is to use a heat gun. You don't want to scratch your boat with razor blades, so we're gonna take these off.
That's all the piece over there.
Alright, to get this stickiness on the side off, we're going to use a little solvent. Probably spray some carburetor cleaner on there. If you have a fiberglass boat, it's okay to do that. Painted aluminum boat, you might want to be careful. It might pull off some of the paint. So we're going to do that and put the new stickers on. And I'm going to take my boat home. Both sides of the letters are sticky?
You know what this mastic is? Okay. This is what they call the backer.
I see. Look at that knot. There we go.
And you always pull straight back like that. If you pull out, it'll come unstuck.
Okay.
Unstuck.
Gotcha.
Some really sticky backing.
We're gonna head out of here. Huge thanks to Joel here at Savannah Marine for installing this Ultrex. It is exciting. I'm super pumped to go take it out and try it. I got to hook up the spot lock. Gonna head out here for tonight, head back to my home, put the boat up, and we'll see you next time on Fishing with Nordbye.